Hey guys, welcome to the first video of this channel. So in this video, I will show you how to use the Surfer SEO Chrome extension. To use Surfer Chrome extension, you have to go to google.com and type Surfer SEO extension. You will get to see different recommendations. Choose any of them which shows Surfer SEO extension. If you are using Chrome as your browser, then choose Chrome. For Firefox users, please use Firefox extension option. After choosing that, you will get to see the first option, keyword Surfer SEO Chrome extension. Basically, this is a free Chrome extension that allows you to search volume, cost per click, which is CPC, estimated traffic. You will get to see the different keyword recommendations as well. After clicking on the first option, you will see a page which shows add to Chrome, a view of what you will get to see, and after installing what you will see, I am just telling, please go with this video. After typing a search term like how to write SEO content, you can see this Surfer extension gets on and we get to see the country-wise volume of that keyword, the CPC, which is over here, and also different recommendation of keywords. Apart from that, you will get to see the word limit the article has written, estimated monthly traffic, and also the number of times this keyword, how to write SEO content, has been used in this. So let me just install the plugin. You will get a window like this if you are using a your laptop system is Windows, mine is Windows 11. Accordingly, you will get to see add extension, get it in your PC. See, it has been installed. Now I have to just turn it on. I will just turn it on. And also I want it in my incognito mode. I will recommend to on it because in SEO we need it, and go to these extensions and allow it in incognito as well. Now that you have installed this extension, let me show an example how to install Windows 11. Suppose this is my search query. I will just show how you can use this too. So this keyword has around 8,100 estimated monthly search in India. You can change it. You can set to any other country apart from India. Suppose you want it in United States. So I will just do that. And you get to see it has around 6,600 searches. So when you are doing SEO, the main thing is knowing the search volume of a keyword. If you want to rank for your particular content, you need to know the volume as well as the CPC. Because if you are a blogger, then you need to know the volume of that keyword. And if you work accordingly, you will surely get success. A very low volume keyword will give you low number of visitors. It is good to work on high volume and high CPC, and also the competition is important. So now that you have seen how to install, these are the keyword ideas